Hi, good morning children. Welcome to online classes. Come to online classes. Myself Fatima teacher. I hope you all are safe at home. Yes children, you all are safe at home. Be at home. Be safe at home. Okay. My name is Fatima, Mrs. Fatima. I am going to teach you general awareness. See this children? My name is Fatima, Mrs. Fatima. 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 Class LKG. Subject General Awareness. General Awareness means what children? GA. Okay. First thing I want to tell you, in the last video also I said how to be at home, what to do, what to not do. Yes? Okay? I am going to tell about SMS. SMS means what? S means social distance. You have to maintain at least 6 feet distance from everyone. You should be far away from everyone. At least you have to maintain 6 feet distance. 6 feet distance from everyone. Mask. Wear mask. First of all, you should be in the house. You are very small. This coronavirus is very dangerous disease. First thing, you should be in the house. If any emergency is there, you have to go out of the house. Then you should wear mask and go. You will wear mask and go. And wash your hands thoroughly with the soap. Before eating, after toilet. If you touch anything, just you have to wash your hands. Don't touch anywhere, children. Okay? I hope you all following these rules and eat healthy food. Don't eat junk food, outside food. Eat fruits, vegetables, drink milk and drink hot water. Okay, you should obey your parents. Whatever they are telling, you have to listen to them and you have to follow all these rules. Okay, children. Now look at the board. Look at the board. Look at the board. How it's looking. It's looking so beautiful, no? See this girl. We are going to talk about in the last video, we learned parts of the body. Now we are going to learn sense organs. Okay, children. In our human body, 5 sense organs are there. How many are there? 5 sense organs. First one is eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. This is our skin. Come on. Okay. Show me your eyes. Show your eyes. Show your eyes. How many eyes do you have? We have 2 eyes. Show your eyes. Nose. 1 nose we have. 2 ears. Tongue. This is our tongue. Okay. Skin. Skin. Show me your skin. Our whole body is covered with the skin. Okay. Now you look at the board. Look at the board. This is a girl. We are going to do the matching. How many sense organs are there? Tell with me. There are 5 sense organs. There are 5 sense organs. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. See, catch your skin. See, this is our skin. Our whole body is covered with the skin. See, this is the skin. This is the skin. Okay. How they will work, what they will do, we'll learn now. See, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close 2 eyes. And tell me how it's looking. It's looking black. Everything is looking black. You cannot see any color. You cannot see anything when your eyes are closed. When your eyes are open, you can see everything. Colorful trees are there and animals. Whatever surroundings are there, you can see with your eyes. Okay, you will play game in the phone. Which organs you will use? You see phone with our eyes. You will see cartoons in the phone. Yeah, you will watch some games, everything. You will watch TV also. Yes, which sense organ is used? We see with our eyes. See, these are the eyes. See, eyes help us to see. See, eyes helps us to see. See means what? Seeing. Seeing what is there, what is there. If there is no eyes, we cannot see anything. Okay, children? Next one is nose. What do you do with the nose? Tell me. Come on, touch your nose and show me. Where is your nose? How many noses do you have? We have only 1 nose. What you will do with the nose? We'll breathe. We'll take air inside. This is called breathing. We'll take the air. We'll take oxygen. We'll leave the carbon dioxide. Okay? You are very small. After coming to first, second class, you will learn that oxygen, carbon dioxide, everything. Now we'll take air. We will breathe. Close your nose for 1 second. Close your nose and see. Without breathing, how it will be? When you will not breathe, that time when we will die, that time only we will stop the breathing. Okay? When we will die, that time only we will stop the breathing. Whole life we will be breathing, day, night, every time we will be breathing with our nose. And we see the smell. When you go from the school, if your mother is cooking something, you will say, no, oh, mommy, some smell is coming, you are preparing something for me. Something you are cooking for me to eat, for my snacks. You will say, no, we see smell with our nose. Bad smell also, good smell also. In the class, sometimes children will say, teacher, bad smell is coming, they will say. Bad smell and good smell, we smell with our nose. Where is our nose? See, this is a nose. Nose help us to smell. Nose help us to smell. Okay? Now, ears. Where are the ears? Catch your ears. If you do something wrong, you will say no. Sorry, teacher, you will say. Yes? These are the ears. What you will do with the ears? Some music is going on. You listen carefully. Teacher, some music is coming. When you will be in the class, madam will allow something from the office room. What you will say? Teacher, madam is telling something. You will fold your hands and you will see, sit quietly and you will listen what madam is telling. If madam will say holiday tomorrow means, from the office room you will be dancing in the class. Teacher, tomorrow holiday, madam said. You will say no, means you will hear with our ears. We will hear the sound with our ears. Okay? We hear with our ears. Tongue. See, tongue helps us to taste. Tongue. Show me your tongue. This is our tongue. Show your tongue. Come on, this is a tongue. See? Show your tongue. Show your tongue. Tongue is inside the mouth. What tongue will do? Tongue will help us to see the taste. If mother will give the sweet, when she will add sugar in the something, you will say that is sweet. If you will add some chili powder in anything, that is a hot, spicy. Everything we will see with our tongue. Sometimes you will not eat food. Why? Teacher, this curry is very hot, I cannot eat. You will say, how you will taste? We taste with our tongue. Show me your tongue. Tongue is there. Show children. Show me your tongue. Tongue is there inside the mouth. So we taste with our tongue. And you hold the tongue and talk. You cannot talk without tongue. Tongue helps us to talk and taste. With the tongue only we will talk. Yes? You catch your tongue and talk. You cannot talk. When we are talking, our tongue will be moving inside the mouth. You see, you observe. What you do, just to stand in front of the mirror and you see, you close your eyes and open your eyes and see in the mirror how it's looking. And tongue, open your tongue, bring your tongue outside and catch it and try to talk. You cannot talk. Okay? When you will see in the mirror, when you are talking, your tongue will be going up and down in the mouth. We will talk with our tongue, we will taste with our tongue. Okay. Now hand. Hand means, what you do? See, I will catch this duster. I will say, this is rough. I will say, see the chalk. I will say, this is very smooth. Yes, if your mummy is cooking something in the kitchen, if you go and touch that resin, what will happen? You will feel hot. Immediately remove your hand. Why? Skin will feel. We feel with our skin. See, hands help us to feel. We are feeling with our hand. Okay? Close your eyes and touch this thing means you will say, this is box teacher. This is book teacher. See the book. See the book. Catch the book. So soft it is. See, so soft it is. It is so soft, no? We feel with our skin. Okay, children? Yes, I hope you all understood, children. What are the 5 sense organs? These are only oral classes. Dear parents, please listen. These are the only oral classes for the LKG children. They don't have any written work. Just matching, just circling they will have. They don't have any written work in the GA. These are the oral general awareness for them. Okay? When child is sitting for the seeing video, please sit beside them and make them to understand. Parents, they need your help. They are too small. And help them to complete the homeworks also. Okay, children, you should listen to your parents. You sit with your parents and what they are telling you have to listen and follow it. Okay? Don't give back answer. You have to listen to them. Then only you will understand. What teacher is teaching in the video, again your mummy or papa will teach. They will teach you in the house. Again they will repeat and they will explain you in the house. Listen to them and try to understand. Okay, children? I hope you all understood. Now come on, tell me, these are the orals. There are 5 sense organs. How many? 5 sense organs. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. These are the sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. We see with our eyes, we smell with our nose, we hear with our ears, we taste with our tongue, we feel with our skin. See, we see with our eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Come on, say children. E-Y-E-S, eyes. We are having 2 eyes, no? That's why we are telling eyes. If one is a big, we will say eye. Eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. See. N-O-S-E, nose. Say N-O-S-E, nose. E-A-R-S, ears. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. H-A-N-D, hand. Okay, children? I hope you all understood. Come on, see these children. What are these? These are my eyes. You can see the eyes. Okay? This is the eye. Show me your eyes. These are the eyes. This is the ear. This is the ear. These are ears. This is tongue. Okay, children? This is tongue. Okay. Now, take your term book. Open your term book. LKG term 1. Open. Page number 104. Page number 104. Just you have to see. I will do the matching. You should not do anything. See, where are the ears? These are the ears. Already it is done. Already it is done for you. This tongue. Where is the tongue? See here. Tongue is there. Okay. Eyes. Where are the eyes? See, these are the eyes, children. Already it is done in the term book. Nose. Where is the nose? Here. Nose. Where is the hand? See. This is the hand. Okay, children? Dear parents, please note down the homework. Do page number 105. See, children. Parents, this is the page number 105. This is the activity. You have to do the matching. What you will do with your eyes? We see with our eyes. What you will see? You will watch TV. You will see scenery. Nose. We smell. If I give the rose flower, what you will do? You will see the smell with our nose. Tongue. Tongue. You will taste cake with our tongue. Hand. If you touch the rabbit, how it will feel? It will feel so smooth. Ear. We hear the drum noise with the ears. Now, children, open the page number. Open the page number. Page number 101. Write classwork there. Write classwork there. See, page number 101. Write classwork. See, double classwork. See, he gave eyes. What are these? Eyes. Where are the eyes? See, this is the tongue. Take the correct picture. You have to take the correct picture. What is this? He gave eyes here in the side. He wrote E-Y-E-S, eyes. Where are the eyes? This is the tongue. These are the eyes. Put right here. Put right in the box. Put right. Second one you see, nose. See, N-O-S-E, nose. Where is the nose, you see? Here. These are the lips. No. This is the ear. No. Where is the nose? This is the nose. Put right here. Put tick here. Put tick. Ear. Where are the ears? See? See, this is the ear now. He gave ear here. He wrote ear. You have to, where is the ear? You have to tick. Put right in the box. Boxes are given now. Your boxes are given. Your boxes are given. Boxes are given now. See, three boxes are given. He gave a picture and he gave the box. See the first one. Page number 101. Class work. See, he gave the pictures. First he said eyes. This is the tongue, no. Second one is the eyes. Put right in this. First one. Second one. This is the third one. See the second one? Nose again. These are the lips, ear and nose. Last one is correct one. Put right there. Ear. Where is the ear? See. First one is here. Ear. You have to put this. Page number 101. This is a page number 101. You did. I hope you all are doing with me. Yes, children. This is the homework, children. This is the homework. Page number 105. Page number 105 is the homework. Okay. I hope you all did this. I hope you all have completed this, children. Page number 101. Page number 101. Take the correct picture. Yes. I hope you all understood, children. Any doubt? If you are having any doubt, you can ask your parents and clear the doubt, children. They will help you. Okay? I hope you all are doing with me. I hope you all are completing your homeworks. Dear parents, please sit beside your child. Make him to understand. Make him to do the homeworks daily. Whatever homeworks are given and whatever we are doing in the class, please make them to do. Guide them. Okay, children? Okay, fine. I hope you all understood. How many sense organs are there? There are 5 sense organs. Whenever I will ask, you should able to answer. What are the 5 sense organs? Eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skin. Eyes, ears, nose, ear, tongue and skin. These are the 5 sense organs. Okay, children? Okay, we will meet you in the next video. Okay, bye, children.